we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of SERVOMASTER Jump Starter with Air Compressor. Consists of the following features. Powerful Jump Starter and Air Compressor Combo. This all-in-one car jump starter portable delivers 4000 amp peak current to jump start 12-volt vehicles including cars, trucks and SUVs effortlessly. High efficiency air compressor with 150 psi capacity. Equipped with a professional jump starter with air compressor, this unit delivers a max airflow of 32 liters per minute and pressure up to 150 psi. Inflate car tires, motorcycles, bicycles, sports balls, and inflatables quickly. Supported units include PSI, bar, kPa, or kilogram per square centimeter. Jump box for car battery with smart display. This jump box for car battery comes equipped with a bright digital display and intuitive smart jumper cables technology. Select from 5 preset modes including car, motorcycle, bike, ball and custom pressure setting. Compact battery jumper starter portable with emergency light, designed for ultimate portability. This battery jumper starter portable measures only 6.97 x 3.03 x 2.24 inches. It features a super bright LED light with 3 modes: steady light, flashing and SOS. All-weather car jump starter with full protection. Engineered for extreme conditions, this car jump starter operates reliably in temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It includes integrated protection against overheating. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.